Here are 3 unsaturated digital products guaranteed to sell in your Etsy store this year. And the first is digital invitations. Now think about it. Weddings, birthdays, baby showers, corporate events, they are happening every single day. And people are always looking for unique and customizable invites. The best part, you do not need to be a design pro to create this. Canva is your best tool here. So you can do this and sell this on your Etsy store. You simply want to go to Canva and simply search digital invitations. Now once you do that, Canva will give you a lot of the templates that it already has, and depending on whatever invitation that you are doing, whether it's a wedding invite, colorful birthday invite, or bridal shower, whatever it is. Let's say it's a wedding invitation, we can simply take this, click on it, and we want to simply go ahead and customize it. You want to add your own unique flavor to this because this particular template is already available to the public. So you want to bring your flavor, you want to bring your uniqueness to it. So you want to tweak it a little bit, like dancing around the colors, the fonts, the graphics, matching different things. You can simply change the background by simply going to elements and put more like gold background. So we can make use of this. Click the 3 double icon here and simply replace the background. That way, it has replaced the background, and you simply want to edit some of this. You add something new here, like bouquet. You can make it smaller. I want to move it up here. You can twist it this way, and we can duplicate it, bring it downwards this way. Take this out. So you can see we are just customizing it, trying to play around the fonts, the elements, the colors, just to give it our own design. Now, once you've created a few designs, for example, a minimalist wedding invite or a fun, colorful birthday invite, once you've created a few designs, you can list them on Etsy as instant downloads. So customers buy, download, and print them themselves. There's no shipping, there's no inventory, and you are just making profit. The great thing is digital invitations are highly scalable because you get to create one design and it can sell over and over again. Now, the second on the list is budget tracker. This is very important because with the rising cost of living, more and more people are looking for ways to manage their finances. I got a budget tracker also recently. So this is something that is actually in demand. Budget trackers are simply digital planners that help people track their expenses, savings, and financial goals. So again, Canva makes this so easy. You can create simple, sleek trackers with tables, graphs, and even motivational quotes. You want to think monthly budget sheets, debt payoff trackers, or even yearly financial planners. And once you've designed them, you can save them as PDFs and list them on Etsy. Again, you can make use of Canva because Canva is our go-to tool. You want to go to Canva and simply search for budget trackers. You want to pick one, customize it, and you can simply share and list it on your Etsy store for sale. You can also make use of Excel or Google Sheets. Here is one that I actually got, and this is just an example. You can see personal budget spreadsheet, and it is well detailed. We have that for home expenses where you can input all the expenses you've done in your home. You have for health expenses, you have charity gift, daily living obligation. And the way it works, because it's Excel, when you populate anything here, of course, it populates here. You can see there are a lot of formulas here that makes it easy. So at the end of the month, you can just easily have an overview on what you have, your end balance, where you spent more on, and what you need to do better. So you can do this. This is something that is really selling and something you can leverage on at the time. Now, some sellers are charging up to $10 to $20 per tracker, depending on how detailed you are, the value you are giving your tracker. So more value, more price. So if you're just putting in trackers, great. When you're putting trackers and you're adding some tips, ways to spend your money or ways to save costs, then that is even more value. Now, the very third one on the list is wall art. This is a great one because it is so versatile. I mean, people love decorating their homes, their offices, and even digital spaces where they are. And the best part is, you do not have to be a great artist to create something people will buy. Canva has tons of tools to help you create stunning wall art. You can design quote posters, abstract art, or even seasonal prints like holiday-themed decor. Again, we go to Canva. Like I say, Canva is a go-to tool. You want to go to wall designs, and here you can see a variety of things that you can do, you can tweak, and easy to go and sell on your Etsy store. Now, once your designs are ready, maybe you pick any of this design probably here, you customize this template. Once you are done editing, you can sell them as high-resolution JPEGs or PNG files. So, for example, you want to download, and you can download as PNG, high resolution, and you download it. Now, customers can easily download it and they can print them themselves. So all you are doing is creating the designs. It's a high-ticket item on Etsy, with some sellers charging up to $15 to $50 per design. And because it is digital, you can create this design once and continue selling it at an unlimited number of times. Now, before you rush off to create this digital product, here are a few tips that you need in order to succeed. The first thing you want to do is research your niche. You want to look for what exactly is already selling, design patterns that's already selling on Etsy, and simply put your own spin to it. The reason for this is it's to give you an idea on what people are currently drawn to at that point in time, and you want to flow with the bandwagon. The second tip is to optimize your listing. So when you are listing a particular digital product, there will be a space on Etsy where you can fill in keywords so that people can easily find your digital product and to make your digital product more visible. You want to use keywords like digital invitation templates, printable budget trackers for budget trackers, or modern wall art if you're doing for wall art. This is to help customers easily find your products. Now, the third tip is to promote your shop. As much as Etsy is a website where people can scroll through and find products easily, you also want to take an extra step in sharing your products on social media, Pinterest, or even TikTok to drive people to your Etsy shop. And do not forget, consistency is key. You want to give it time, you want to give it effort, you want to give it dedication. It might take a little time to gain traction, but once you do, the earning potential is super great. By the way, I have attached another video on 7 other unsaturated digital products that you would want to check out and leverage on. Mind you, you can do multiple of these and list them on your Etsy shop. So you want to check that out. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Bye and ciao.